Here I have Meizu 15 and let me show you how to perform here the hard reset operation by using the Meizu settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose here power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as Meizu logo pops up on the screen. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, the Flame recovery mode just pops up. Here let me choose wipe data, let me unclick update the system and let's choose start. The device is sweeping data, the phone is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up. So right now you can start activate your device. If you have a pin on your SIM card, you have to input your pin. And that's it. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.